awakwazi ukufunda ngoba ibane azikhanyi yastop load shedding yabuyisa value towards life yomuntu omnyama. Ngilandela indoda eyavumela amagupta sikhulumeni ngawo asingasaba amagupta because thina we don't have the wrong narrative ngamagupta. Babu Khomo ngithela eqaleni mangikhuluma ngathi if you want to trace i-origin yamagupta landela uzobona ukuthi kuThabo Mbeki bebekhona bebesebenzela bani bebesebenzela ama-Ruperts amagupta man. Landela uzobona ukuthi kuMandela amagupta ebekhona ebesebenzela bani amagupta kuMandela ebesebenzela ama-Ruperts kuyiqhila zabelungu bethatha umnotho ebelutha amagupta but uyazi ukuthi mabelutha beluthela abelungu. It was glorified, it was nice. The problem started when the Guptas were looting for black people. As long as Gupta were looting, and that is the problem that we have, Bab Khomo, in South Africa. Anything that is done by white, right? The same Guptas. Uguti nje thina abantu abamnyama, we don't control ama media spaces. If it were so, nathi besizobhala ama-articles ngokuthi amagupta alutha kangakanani eluthela ama-Ruperts. Besizobhala ukuthi they've been looting this country for the Ruperts from Mandela's term to Thabo Mbeki's term. Looting azange iqala nge-administration kaJacob Zuma, yaqala nge-administration kaMandela. Amagupta subsidiary company owners of the Ruperts bethatha umnotho bewuqinisa ngapha emabhunwini and everybody was happy. There was no article ethi they are evil. There was no article ebademonizayo. The problem started umsholozi makavuma ethi lento benilokho niyenzela amabhunu yenzeni niyenzeleni abantu abamnyama. Baqala amagupta agula ama-Ruperts ahlanya because they own media. Baqala Sexin World Shipping, publish amagupta everywhere, vilified them and demonized them and got rid of them in this country. Why? Because they were touching the economy to reverse it to the black life. They were touching the economy, bebuyisa 5% yomnotho. 5% it was enough to drive a white man pink until waze wabhala zonke itori ngokuthi amagupta amademoni kanjani, and we saw a problem. Now, lana ku-MK silethwe yi-common cause of black economic liberation. And unfortunately, Babu Khomo, nami, I don't expect Unhlamulo to be here. Don't expect any of the leaders who must represent the mandate that they, and I don't question the withdrawal of a case. You know why? It's because there is an educated mind by the name of John Hlophe ohleli lapha ku-MK. He would have never allowed that case to be withdrawn if it had no premise of a bigger victory. I, Babu Khomo, trust a mind that has went to school to liberate itself. Ifunde according to the constituencies that govern this so-called democracy. You want to tell me ukuthi uHlophe njengoba ehleli lapha ephethe ama degrees nama honors amaningi kangaka, he would have allowed anything to tamper with this case? Engeke izibe nemiphumela positive, constructive, powerful. No, it would have never happened. So let's not sit here sloko si busy sijabulisana nezitha, sloko sixoxa ukuthi icase withdrawilwe, icase wenze ukuthi. Hey, I trust the judgment of that leadership, and the movement, it will not turn into cope. Angilandeli izinto eziswak mina Babu Khomo. Ngalesa sikhathi ngangimncane ngidlala ibhola, ngangingadlalela ama team aswak, ngangayifuni team engiyibonayo ukuthi izolose. MK will not lose. I problem yethu Babu Khomo, as people, we are not patient through the foundation phase. Indlu mayakhiwa kuqala ku foundation. then from i-foundation ke manje bese uyakhuphuka ke uza ngamabonda bese mawuqeda uyafulela. Ile party lena is a couple of months old. We are at our foundation stage. We have achieved a lot. We see ourselves with so many seats in parliament. Now, we will not become a political rhetorical a party ezohamba iyolwa ilwela ihlalo and feel ukuthi it should be us engaba sihleli lapha, it should be us. No, time will sift people out. Isikhathi babukhomo sizozisefela abantu. Abantu ekungamelekanga babe separlamente bazovezwa isikhathi. Abantu ekungamelekanga ba represente imandate yabantu eparlamente bazosefwa. Angeke basefwe umuntu kodwa bazozisefa. Leaders are not made, they are born. And in order to represent a political constituency at national level, you need to have political national consciousness. And if you don't have, unfortunately, it's not a TikTok live. Ezohambi khipha abantu ehlalweni ukuthi basuke eparlamente then kungena abanye. No, it's only time that will prove that to be true. So let us give our leadership time. Let us also admire umsebenzi owenziwe uJacob Mhlanganyelwa Nxamalala Jikijela Mkhonto Zuma. So admire lo msebenzi ukuthi it would have never happened in a million years where you would actually understand ukuthi i-ANC ixabane ne-Freedom Charter. It is only through the expository mind of Jacob Zuma where you are able to have such dynamics. Lapho ubona khona umhlaba, ubona khona agriculture, ubona khona higher education, ubona khona ama-strategic positions that are going to empower a black life being handed over to former colonizers and colonialist and white monopoly capital in disregard of a black life. So you would have never gotten to see them. You only see them because Umsholozi took a stand to show you, I'm not the problem here. Nayi problem. Into engangixoshelwa nayi. Sasiyabona sonke today ukuthi into Umsholoza wayeyixoshelwa ukuprotecta i-economic span towards the black life. Sasiyabona sonke namhlanje ukuthi kahle kahle into yayixabanisa Umsholozi nama-comrade ku-ANC. Kwakuyile yokuthi akafuni ukunikezela ngomuntu omnyama emabhunwini. That is why ngihleli la babukhoma yikho into engangikhipha ku-MK. As long as ngibona uHelen Zille egijima ngalendlela egijima ngayo ezama ukubulala umkhonto wesizwe, hayi ngihleli la ku-MK. Into ezondwa umlungu ngiyithanda kakhulu ngoba umlungu uyazithanda izinto ezingichabalalisayo. Umlungu ngisho babukhoma nasefemini nasendaweni yokusebenza ngahlubone umuntu omnyama ethandwa umlungu yazi ukuthi lowo muntu omnyama umdayisi wabantu bakhe. I even have the guts on this live ukuthi ngasho ngithi almost over 70% yabantu engama-manager nama-supervisors, they did not get there on merit. They got there because they can sell their black brothers out very easily. Umlungu akayipromote into yomuntu omnyama unless icindezela abantu bebala lakhe. So ngiyekeni mina ne-MK yami seningahamba nina nihanjiswe ukuthi ama-court ku-withdraw ama-case and you deal with petty politics when we have got a mammoth task of representing our mandate at national level in the National Assembly. Seningahamba ke lokho nishana ngamaphepha ngo-The Star niprintelwa indaba ze-political party yenu, ziprintwa i-Citizen, ziprintwa amaphepha onwa ama-Rupert's, amaphepha onwa amabhunu in order to create and control your political mind and speculations. Nihambe nixabana nenza into eningayazi. Angiyekeni mina noJesu mayebuya babukhoma uyongithola ngihleli kulo MK ngilinde la kulo MK into eyobe ngilindisa for as long as umlungu ene problem ne-MK. I-MK is the way forward. Ithanda into ezondwa umlungu, izonda into ethandwa umlungu. And bathi ke babukhomo nginolaka ngi-racist, angifuni umlungu. kwathiwa babukhomo la truth and reconciliation. Uyazi ngiyabamangalela abantu abamnyama mabathi truth and reconciliation. Uyazi babukhomo i-reconciliation yenzeka kanjani? I-reconciliation, if mina nawe besinobudlelwane ngaphambili, bese maqeda ke manje sihlala phansi sibuyiselane, asikaze sibe nobudlelwane namabhunu thina. Why babesenzela i-truth and reconciliation? Sasireconcilani namabhunu. Kodwa kudala besisanganela la kwa ANC because yini into esasiyireconcile ngoba amabhunu avela aba enemy from the get go, akuna relationship eyake yaba khona. That's why sidideke kanje namhlanje sinabantu abamnyama abazohamba bayovotela iDA. Uyazi why? They want to reconcile with people they've never had a relationship with. It's a political redundancy into yokuthi ungahlala ucabanga ukuthi wena uzoreconcile nomuntu, uxabana nomuntu ke waba nobudlelwane naye. Amabhunu asikaze sibe nobudlelwane nawo, kodwa sahlaliswa phansi kwathiwa truth and reconciliation, kwathiwa forgive. Wafika uDesmond Tutu wathi forgive, sathi ubani apologizile, kodwa still saqhubeka saxola kunga-apologizewanga. Ayikho ipeace engenamnotho. Namanje babukhomo mawuthi ngisafuna ukuyoshaywa umoya ngithola ipeace, funeka ubhadala uhambe uye resort ukuze uzwe inyoni zitswitswiza funeka ukhipha imali uhambe uyoshaywa umoya. Ipeace engenamnotho ayikho. Umuntu omnyama uyazikhohlisa day in and day out, ulokhu busy. We need peace in our land, we need peace. Ukhuluma i-rhetoric yabelungu. Abelungu babukhomo banayo ipeace ngoba umnotho banawo. Wena muntu omnyama una peace, wena unokubekezela wena, kodwa ipeace awunayo. Into ekwenza ukuthi ungabi na peace, bheka namanje iroof yakho iyalika, ingane yakho uxakekile mayiqeda ukuphasa umatric izoloyithara la elokishini. Uxakekile namanje makungathiwa yi-load shedding nemali yogesi awunayo, kodwa hambe uyovotela uDA uthi ufuna ipeace. Awuna peace wena. Ipeace nenhlupheko azicorrespondi. Ipeace nenhlupheko azihambiselani. Babukhomo, lastly sengiphuma ku-platform sengehla. Uyabona babukhomo, khona into eyenzeka lapha makukhululwa abantwana bakwa-Israyeli bekhishwa lapha eGibhithe. Bathi mabekhishwe eGibhithe bejabulile, kuvuleka amasango manje eGibhithe bayaphuma. uNkulunkulu wabamisa egeyidini wathi niyaphi? Niyaphapha, buyelane emuva, hambani niyothatha igolide lelo uMandela avuma ukuthi singalithathi. Kodwa uNkulunkulu yena as a liberator wathi buyelane emuva niyothatha le golide benikade nilisebenza la eGibhithe, niphume nalo le golide, because inkululeko yenu angeke ibe nesidima ngaphandle kwegolide. Ukuze inkululeko yenu ibe nedignity kudingeka ukuthi ikhashwe umnotho. Istruggle sethu babukhomo is divided into two. OMandela nabo bonke laba bekhodesa babelwela i-movement, thina namhlanje silwela i-economy. So
ayenza network manje.
So yabona, so manisazoxakeka babukhomo nixakwe ama-court case withdrawal of IEC. I mean uZuma anga-withdrawa namhlanje, kusasa aphinda abuyele, kusasa aphinda aphume. Angina problem nencane, because there is a legal mind called Dalimpofu, there is a legal mind called Judge Hlophe, there is a legal mind ehleli phambi koZuma, and i-withdrawal yakhe ku-case aying-affecting next in terms of my loyalty. Ningahamba nonke babukhomo ningishiye la ku-MK, ngizohlala ku-MK, because if you cannot find, if angeke ukhona ukuthola into ekwazi ukukurepresenta kahle politically, then you are lost. If ulandela umsholozi for isikhundla, you are lost. Nalaba enicomplaina ngabo ukuthi baseparliament abadeserve, bayekeleni. Only time will tell ukuthi abadeserve heavy, and politics will deal harshly with them. Basuswe ipolitiki bangasuswa yini. Asibayekeni manje and give them all the support that is needed. And nenye into futhi babkhomo, let's not expect leadership to deal with petty politics. Yabo lento leyo ukuthi ufuna ukunakwa wena ngathi uyingane yase crash, ufuna ukunakwa, ufuna ukulande. No, they've got a mammoth task. Labantu baye parliament, labantu bazofunani ku TikTok, bazofunani kuma WhatsApp group. They are novice in parliament, they don't know iparliament. And if uzo complain ukuthi khona abantu ababuya ku ANC bese mabaqeda bazofakwa ngapha ku MK and then sebaye parliament, ubufuna onhlamulo baye nobani eparliament because they are not experienced. Every coach will tell you ukuthi isquad sam masiyodlala imatch tough, I need experienced players to mix them with the players who don't have experience so that at least they can guide these ones abangena experience. Unhlamulo noma ngaba brilliant kangakanani uyazelaphi iparliament udinga uDes van Rooyen ukuthi akamfundisi ukuthi mfana yazini usharp kule game but bamba ama notes 1 2 3. And so if uzo criticize uDes van Rooyen ukuthi uphuma ku ANC and then the next thing ula ku MK sekasepala, then you are politically stupid. Then we can't even talk to you because you don't understand the dynamics of experience in politics and the role that they play. And ubaba cannot be in parliament, and we know ama reasons wokuthi why nathi singamfune parliament. And so who is going to guide lama combatants lawa we MK ahambayo aye parliament if you are not going to mix it with experience? People, let's not be petty, man. Sloko siza la kulama live sifuna ukunakwa leadership ayisinake leadership. Hey, i-leadership ithatha imandate yethu sonke iyahamba manje yo represent imandate eparliament. Sesilwela ukuthi the after 5 years babkhomo into esiyilwelayo ukuthi everybody must have seen how much of a sellout the ANC is, and everybody must have seen ukuthi there is no alternative to a black life, man, ngaphandle kwe MK party. Sesilwela ukuthi sibe the vanguard that will protect the interest of a black economic life. Into esiyilwelayo. So leyo ukuthi sisalwela ukuthi abasinake, mina ngithi abangasinaki babkhoma sinakaneni sodwa. And there's so much that you can do la ku MK. If you are creative, there's so much that you can do la ku MK to keep busy. Okokuqala, we don't have our own media room. People must stand up and think. Bayekele ukufuna ihlalo zase parliament. People must understand ukuthi asina media house la ku MK. We don't have anything that broadcasts specifically ama events wethu. It's time for a black mind to arise and say, I can close this gap la ku MK. La ku MK ngenza shop eThekwini, ngenza shop ezothengisa iregalia ye MK. La ku MK ngingavula library ezo inform about the political history which is genuine, and I'll spend more time nomsholozi getting ama notes from yena and compile a history for generations which are to come, because we don't know how much time we still have. No baba la ku MK I can come in as an advisor, ngivale lesikhala les nales. People must not look for ready positions, and people must not be angry if the MK is not a microwave political party and it's not quick to warm up their food. It is a process. We are on the foundation stages. Siyakha siyaphambili. Sukuma nawe ngoba ubizwanga mawuzala. Sukuma and see ukuthi ungenza kanjani ukuthi le movement yethu ye MK party ibe 1, socially acceptable and vibrant; number 2, politically relevant; number 3, historically relevant to the native of South Africa. Hayi lento yokuthi sonke sefuneka sambe siyolwa silwe. Futhi number 3, number 4 babkhomo asina ma headquarters. Asina indawo esibiza ngama headquarters. Those brains are needed. We don't have to sit down isiloko sibhizi sifuna ukuyohlala eParliament esihola 100,000. There's so much that you can do in the MK party that is able to accommodate you and your desires and your ambitions politically. But ayikho enye into that we seem to want to do in this political party besides fight for positions. And we will turn into another cope if we are like that, because soloko silo ukuthi ayilo akumelekanga ukuthi abese parliament, ayilo ngathi ubabukhoma ukhuluma kangcono kunaye, why funeka bafake lo ngoba uthulile akenzi. No, leave the leaders and support them. And support them until you understand what we are all carrying a mandate against the white man. Iyo into esiyilwelayo laba Bukhomo kuthiwe sihambe siye esentini sa realize ukuthi asinayo imali yetaxi ezosifikisa esentini. Sesilwela umnotho because we've been given the freedom to move, but we have not been given the expression of freedom, and the expression of freedom is economy. We don't want peace. Asina peace, Gina. Asina every black person oti we want peace, we want peace. No masingeke senze war, no masingeke sambe siyolwa, noma singeke siqala izimpi estradeni, but ipeace asinayo. Kukumanje la kule live khona umama ohleli akazi ukuthi ingane kusasa ziyolala zidleni, insipho yokugeza uniform yomntwana ukuthi akahamba esikolweni makuvula ikolo ayikho, ukuthi ingane maziqeda ukufunda zizoyangana euniversity akazi. How do you have peace in such a state? Uba ne peace kanjani? Asike siyekeleni ukukhuluma ama rhetoric akhulunywa amabhunu. They are imposing peace on us the same way they imposed reconciliation, but they never had a relationship with us. The same way they imposed forgiveness and they never said sorry. Now they are imposing peace. You know, we're getting into a government of national unity. Let there be peace. We just want peace. Uhelen Zilu yakwazi ukukhuluma ngepeace ngoba yena ulale edlile every night. Ingane zakhe aziswelanga lutho. Tina, we can't talk peace. Impilo zethu they are turmoil. We can't talk peace. Makuzimvula abanye abajabuli because they know ukuthi funeka ngibeka amabhakede ayi6 or 7 la endlini ngoba imbobo kuyanethela. I can't even afford idam course yokuthi ngivale phezulu umkhukhu wami unganethi. How do you have peace? Uyifuna kanjani peace umnotho ungenawo? That is why ke uNkulunkulu babukhomo wababulala bonke abantwana bakwaIsrael ehlane. Uyazi isizathu sokuthi ababulale yini? Ngininika inkululeko mangiqeda nganika igolide kodwa still nisafuna ukubuyela emuva. Because ayikho into ekufuneka ikubuyisele emuva eGibhithe uma ngabe umnotho uphethe. So asikakakhululeki until size sithole umnotho nomhlaba wethu. Yonke lento eyenziwa iANC asibonge nje unxamalala ukuthi ukwazile ukuyi-expose yonke, and we were able to see ukuthi kanti noma le esesiyilandela akusaseyiyo. So hambani nonke babukhomo, mina istatement sami yileso ukuthi manikwatiswa ama withdrawal wama case nisakwatela into ezincane kusazoshuba la ku MK internally, kusazoba kubi la sisazobambana ngamawashing. Kodwa into ebalekile asivaleni iminyango izitha zingaboni. Angithi besenza kanjalo nakwaKhongolose before kube yiyo yonke le damtiriri yabofikile embalula, besivala iminyango kwaKhongolose, sivale kubanjwane ngamawashing ngaphakathi, masiphume sismayila sonke. Nala kwa MK high discipline, high moral, asingavezi laundry yethu for the whole world to see. La kwa MK asibe ne discipline ukuthi asisizane sakheni istructure la, because sonke size as volunteers here. And so since sonke size njengama volunteer, it has to be ukuthi istructure siyas implementa ukuthi sibe visible. Maqala kuvela ingxabano nama misunderstanding, asivaleni ama curtain, asivaleni iminyango, sishayaneni la ngaphakathi, sishayaneni ngaphandle kungabonwa lutho. Masiphuma because we are an intimidation to white monopoly capital. We are a threat to the white establishment. establishment and the system. We are a threat to the markets. Asingazini kuma social media platforms sizojabulisa ama markets. Size kuma social media platforms sizojabulisa I white establishment and white monopoly capital. No, when we are here, let's maintain high discipline and build this movement and siyithathe and take it to greater heights. Asingashayanini kuze kujabula izitha zihambisa ama voice recording zilokho zikhuluma ngathi ukuthi babuke uKhanyile ngangingamthanda uKhanyile kodwa ngangivala umlomo ngithe tu ngithule nya ngithi i-leadership izomsota out, izomsolve, and things went my way. If things did not go my way, I will still support uKhanyile. Why ngimsupport? Because he's an irritation to Helen Zille and he's an irritation to white establishment. I'll support him noma ngabe ngingamthandi because u-irritator lento engihlukumezayo. Sometimes babu Khomo ufune kusupport into, ufune kusupport umuntu ungamthandi because lo muntu is a threat and an irritation to lento ehlukumeza wena. We need to develop that mentality ukuthi MK is in parliament representing us. Asingayidonseli phansi ukuthi wozani buyane ebantwini nizokhuluma, bazokhuluma kanjani nelegislature makusameleke baphinde futhi bazokhuluma nathi. Why singaziqoqi thina sikhulisa umqondo wethu siphuhlisa umqondo wethu and let our leaders administrate the mandate at national level. Ngiyabonga babukhoma.
Yeah.